Alright, trying something new. Got this 350Z in. I believe it's a 2006. It's in rough shape. But what we're going to do is we're going to get a new motor put in it. Well, not new, used. It's got some body damage right there. We're going to have to get that taken care of. Take a peek on the inside. I mean, it's not too bad. It's filthy right now, but we're gonna get it cleaned up and see how it looks. Probably gonna put a wrap on it, but first we'll get her all cleaned up inside, and then she's gonna go to the body shop. She's got some scratches right there. That taken care of. Scratches there, but the wrap will probably cover that up. Some dings there. That's going to need to be taken care of. I didn't even see that. But follow along. See what it turns into.